Hi everyone, you know it's your girl Sasha and I'm back with another content for my channel. Today I'll be showing to you how I'm soaking some fruits that I'm going to be used in baking my Jamaican Christmas cake. Here I'm going to begin soaking the fruits. I'm adding the raisins to the raisin. Now I'm going to add the mixed fruits. Then I'll be adding the cherries. Here I'll be adding some Ray and Nephew white overproof rum. Just a disclaimer here, the amount that you see me pouring is not the actual amount that I've used to soak the fruits. Also to this, I'll be adding some red label wine, and of course this is a must in every Christmas cake baking. So this is it. This is what it looks like. Now I'm just going to go in with my spoon to give it an even mix to these fruits. Then I'll be removing it from this dish to be placed in a jar. So for well-soaked fruits to be going inside of our Christmas cake, you'll basically need like 3 months up to a year to soak these in this mixture. So if you've reached this far in my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're also new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.